Hello everyone, hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chantal and you're welcome. As to my old subscribers here, I hope everything is good. Today I'm beyond excited to share with you guys my all-time favorite date night outfit. As you can see, I'm dressed to impress and I can't wait to tell you why this look is so dear to my heart. Let's dive right in, shall we? Okay. Yay. Now let's talk about this stunning black backless formal dress with a deep front plunge, okay? This dress embodies everything I adore in fashion. It's timeless, it's bold, it's incredibly sexy, and it's versatile. This black color gives it that classic elegance, okay, while the backless design and deep plunge adds just the right amount of intrigue and allure. Ooh, isn't it simply gorgeous? Yay! But here's the thing, ladies, you might be wondering, how can a woman in her 30s to 40s rock such a daring look? Well, let me tell you, age is just a number, as I keep singing, and confidence is the key to owning any outfit. Let's break down how you can rock this outfit like a true queen that you are, okay? First and foremost, ladies, confidence is your best accessory, okay? Remember that. And of course, the fit of your dress matters immensely. Ensure it flatters your figure beautifully. Now let's talk accessories, shall we? Okay. First, we've got a pearl body chain that adds a whimsical touch, okay? Lace gloves for elegance and allure. Pearl dangling earrings that draw attention to your face. A dainty belt to clinch that waist. Pearl and silver bracelets for sophistication. A bold ring for that wow factor, and a pearl purse for a touch of luxury. And these classic pointy black shoes to complete the look. For hair and makeup, you can go for a chic updo or loose waves, and for makeup, either a classic smoky eye as I did or a bold lip, depending on your preference. The key is to feel comfortable and empowered in your skin. So my gorgeous ladies, whether you're in your 30s, 40s or beyond, embrace your unique style and remember that confidence knows no age, okay? This black backless dress is not just my favorite, it's a symbol of timeless elegance and self-assuredness. I hope you enjoyed this fashion journey with me today, ladies. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fashion and beauty inspiration. And remember, you are beautiful at any age, and age is nothing but the number. Until next time, stay fabulous.